Hello and welcome to a new episode how to learn JavaScript from beginner to advanced. Today my goal is to learn you how to use animation CSS. Animation in CSS help you to create interactive app, interactive web page, and if you combine this CSS with JavaScript you can make some powerful things. Here we have an example. I have in HTML three divs with a button. Okay, let me to identify this button. I have here the button with ID star button. I have a div animal with class animal. This a div with class food, this buffalo, and also I have one div with a tick. This tick will appear at the end of the animation, and also a text that will I will display it at the end of this animation. My CSS for each class, and I have for body, for class, that are not so important. Important is this animation. When you create an animation, you should put on your selector animation and his name, move lion in my case. How many seconds do you want to appear this animation, how you want to appear animation, easy enough is slowly at begin, after will be rapidly, again slowly. I put forward because I would like to don't start again from begin after my animation end. Okay, firstly you put animation selector if you want, but you put on your selector. I put on elements with class animal on this, and also I put on element with class move. To second animal and move. Animal is this, and move, where is control F, that move. Okay, just on animal you should put. I will delete this. After I start to create, to get in JavaScript, I get reference to the button, to the animal, to the food, tick, and text. I put reference for all elements from my HTML document. Here I create a function check overlap, who check if my images touch it, and for this I create two variables with this get bounding client rect. This get bounding client rect take the position, size, and of my elements, no, and after this I can to manipulate it with top, left, right, or bottom. and here I compare if they are touching. If they are touching, I put the tick to display and text also, because here text is display none, also is my tick is display none. Okay. When I click the button, this button, I have variable button btn, this, okay, dot add event listener. When I click on it, I add class move for start animation. Okay, here is class move, and for this should to put again class move of my animation. I understand now. When I click the button, I add to animal element this class move for start animation, and I check my function overlap with this interval at 100 milliseconds. Stop checking after the animation has complete after 2 seconds and 500 milli 2.5 seconds. Okay, let's see what happens if I click button. I click button, I am here now on this add event listener. Okay, what happened? Next line is this add class move. When I click, okay, I go, class move is this, animation move line will be triggered, and this is move line, tell me start from 0 pixel to 240 pixels. Okay, let's see. The lion eats the buffalo. Again, start. The lion eats the buffalo. Appear a tick and the text. Let's see where is this in the code. This. When lion is overlap buffalo, this still display will be blocked and appear this tick and this text. After 2 seconds, stop. No. Okay. Now let to make a little summary, briefly summary. When you create an animation in CSS, you put animation on your selectors and some features of this animation, and also should to use this keyframe and the name of animation, from and to, from where you start and where you go. I start from 0 and I want to go to 24. If I put here, for example, this, let's see what happens. Start. Do you see my lion reached to 70 14. Okay, let me to put again, and now it's okay. My buffalo animal with 20 pixel, height 20 pixel. Okay, I have display flex here in body. If I delete, do you see appear in this way? That was all for today. Don't forget to practice in each day. If you would like to see another code, you can enter on GitHub, this GitHub, and you can take from here all code with more elements. You can modify this and create for you some other app. Okay, where I'm here, okay, let me to put here the GitHub. This is the GitHub. You can enter here and take the code. I will put this GitHub also in description. All the best.